Quit. Quit. That's how much buying power you have. They give you, I think, on the $500 account, they give you $700 worth of money to blow up before they close your account. Yeah, I've been getting recommended that a lot. Social. I'm studying a new strategy though from one of the guys at Awesome Calls, Spartan Trading, and I was up till like 2 o'clock last night, watching a bunch of his videos and strategies. So yeah, I'm late. We got 20 minutes into the market open, and I don't think I'm going to trade today. I'm just going to watch and study. Because it's a very new strategy. I have no idea what's going on. If I do make a trade, it's probably going to be HTZ on a range break. If it ends up breaking this range, I will play it for a fill up to up to $16. But that's probably it. Hi, Parish. Let's see, gosh. No, I actually have pretty good accuracy with scalp trading. I just haven't done it. There's certain rules to scalp trading. Typically, you want to wait for a big parabolic move, let it bounce, pull back, and then you play the first. So the way I play scalps is if you have a huge move down, it bounces, it pulls back up for the rebound, and then it pulls back and double touches. Right there is when I scalp, and I'll play it back up to the just a little bit below the past one. You want to typically stick to like the third to fifth leg on scalping. Anything past that, it gets a little unpredictable. I had pretty good accuracy on scalping for my demo accounts. Yep, 62%. AWX is flatlining. Maybe we'll get a pop today on AWX. I'm not familiar with him, Francisco. Oh yeah. There's a lot of books I recommend. In the Discord under Garen's Trading Books. It's right here, Garen's Trading Books. This is the first book I recommend to people to read for newbies. This book, you want at least like a week experience live trading, so you kind of get an idea, or at least maybe a month or two studying, and you then read this book. And then you definitely want to have like a month's worth of live trading, or paper trading, but typically realistically live trading, because this book is very heavy into managing yourself and your psychology. Looking to do with 188, only the best ones. And right now studying. Uh, I'm studying a new style of trading from one of the guys in Awesome Calls. So I'm probably just going to sit here and watch today. I may make a trade. I was up till like 2 o'clock last night, so I'm kind of tired studying and watching videos on this new style. So if I do take a trade, it's only going to be on a stock that I'm familiar with right now, and that's HTZ. I don't particularly like um, the strategy that I'm learning for stuff like Gush and Drip, because I feel like there's too much volatility. I feel like the pattern kind of breaks down on these ETFs. I might trade LabU long or short. Yeah, let's see. I might trade LabU short if it comes back up. No, I do not, Francisco. I'm probably not going to be making a trade today, Peter. If I do, it'll be only one of two tickers. I have to be very careful now that I'm down so low. Um, it's losing all this money is actually forcing me to really improve my strategy, because I can't afford to make a bad trade. And yeah, it's only like $180, which is it's a decent amount of money, but it's nothing crazy. But I still want to treat it as if it was a large amount, because one day it is going to be a large amount. Morning, Yossi. Let's check out Tesla. I saw Tesla had a huge spike last night. I've heard about it. That's about it. Azure. I'm not familiar with it other than that. So we're getting a double bounce pre-market on Tesla. Is gapped above the 50 and the 200. Twitch should be up. Is Twitch not working? Let's check it out. Um, Thanks, Esquire. What? So Twitch isn't working. That's weird. I don't really have time to troubleshoot it right now. Huh. It's odd. It says I'm streaming. That's odd. What do you mean live studying? No, this is my main day trading account. The first one of this style of trading that I've been doing. I have a swing trading account and in Robinhood, but I haven't been trading with it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop watching the ETFs with this strategy. They just doesn't really hold up too well. IQ is back down. Yeah, triple bounce on. Could go long on IQ if it comes down enough. No. Nope. I'm just gonna. I told myself I'm gonna stick to just watching. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Armored. About DNR. Yeah, it's. My bar. I play the 50 bounce on that. The 40 30s. It's got good price action movement for a bottom, but it'll probably come back and retest. All right. Awesome Calls stream has started, so I'm gonna be watching this. So sorry if you guys feel ignored. Hi, Dylan. Richard. 4 minutes left till the open. Let's check out the S&P 500. We're still in a range for S&P 500. Yeah, I lost $6 yesterday, Chris, but it was actually $9 after commissions, which was still 4% of my account. I think, what's my calculator at right now? I'm 188, $7. Yeah, I've got to risk at least 15% of my portfolio per trade just to hopefully cover some commissions and make profit. I do stream on Twitch. It's got better latency and speed. The stream's a bit faster on there. I should probably have a little button that says I'm on Twitch in the stream. Yeah, Twitch isn't working. I don't know what's going on. No problem, Chris. Yeah, I expect to screw up and make mistakes. You're gonna lose money starting out. 90% of day traders blow up the first account. I was hoping not to be one of the 90%. I really wanted to not blow up my first account, but it's looking dire so far. Actually, I like this setup a lot. I think if this pops to 30, I might short this. This is one of the calls on Awesome Calls. I'm getting some pre-market resistance. It might just stop at 29.5. No, Peter, it'll be a good test of, the lower my account is, the more it's going to push me to be really good on my trading. So I'm going to use this as an opportunity to really improve. If I go to paper trading, then I'm just laxing and slacking off. So I'd rather take the harder challenge and learn more. 18 seconds, 15 seconds till open. All right, So I'm going to load up here on there. We're looking for a full point move, so I need at least a $1 stop loss. 29.5. Damn. DXCM. Jesus. We're down in the 90s. So it really hasn't trend break. I want to see solid confirmation. We'll let it play for a little bit because this could just be a pullback. I can only take perfect setup. So if it crashes right off the open, I'm shit out of luck. But it was not a high probable trade. God, they just made a 4-point squeeze on DC or DXCM. How did he know that was going to squeeze? No, that's true, Richard. I'm realistic. I'm optimistic that I'll keep learning. But I need to take this opportunity to learn as much as I can. Damn, they just made 4 points on the up and the down on this. Somehow he knew that would squeeze. How did he know that would squeeze? Tesla's coming down. Man, his AJ's calls are really freaking accurate. That's weird. Twitch delayed? What's HTZ doing? HTZ's get some alerts going for range break on. Why aren't my alerts showing up? That's weird. What the hell? Yep, there's a squeeze. Nice. Anybody wants a song? That's what I'm listening to right now. So we're getting a pop on HTZ. Yeah, a lot of people end up just doing that, Peter. Yeah, if I blow up the account, Matthew, I'll make a video on how I blew it up. Oh yeah, it's because the camera is closer. Looks like Tesla might be coming down. It's kind of flirting with it. Morning, Daniel. I would like Tesla to come down to 1350 or 315. I could play the bounce. Yeah, well, I found one of my biggest issues is impatience, Nick. So in order to curb that, I have changed up my chart styles so that it forces me to be much slower and much more methodical in my trading, which is what I want. I want to be a more technical trader, uh, and so far I'm liking this style I'm studying from Spartan Trading. Um, I think it'll fit me very well once I understand all the little nuances of it. Blue, quit. I'm gonna get the spray bottle out. Stop. What? You have food. Not right now, mister. Maybe one day. I don't need to spread myself out and study a bunch of different markets. He doesn't. He does not like the spray bottle. It is his worst enemy. See you, Martin. All right. I wonder if Spartan releases a watch list. Exactly. He immediately shuts up and just runs away. Sometimes he just needs pets. Sometimes he needs to play. Luckily, he's got huge coat, so he gets tired in about 10 seconds. When I get him shaved, he turns into like a crack addict, and he's just 100 miles an hour everywhere because he gets overheated usually because he's got such a thick fur. So when he gets shaved, he's just like, "What is this?" Um, I'm in Ricky Gutierrez's Learn Profit course. It's a decent course for swing trading and ETFs, learning how to trade ETFs. It just depends on your style and what you're needing. I don't have any experience with Tim Sykes or Ross Cameron other than their free videos? I do like Gertani and Steve Ducks. Honestly, the students of Tim Sykes are who you want to follow more than Tim Sykes. Tim's not really been on his A game for about 10 years now, and he admits that in his videos. He's got money, and his big run was in the early 2000s. If you learn his history, but now he has a bunch of students that are really good, and those are the guys to study. We had a big gap down on the Dow. Bulls on Wall Street. I'm not terribly familiar with them, but I've watched their videos. What the hell? The Dow is DJI, right? No, it's DJX though. Oh, you were? How was it, Ellie? Oh, that'd have been good. Yeah, I'm really liking Awesome Calls. I think it's a pretty damn good chat room so far. AJ's calls are kind of eerily accurate, and but I'm studying one of their moderators, Spartan calls, right now. NSYE. I didn't even see this pop from yesterday. That would have been a good short. It's pretty much almost down to the points now. 490. Yeah, there's the crash. Didn't even see this. This would have been a good short. Here's coming up. All right. No, it's good. His all his calls are pretty damn good. Um, he had a seven. There was a 17-point call yesterday. He only traded it for like 9 points, which is still crazy, but it ended up moving a full 17 points. Oh, nice, Ellie. Leveraged and margined is the same thing. Prediction. Um, I'll have a discount link for that, Elview. There'll be a discount that I can give you guys once I get the affiliate thing signed up for them. I gotta fax them in. I was working on terms with them yesterday. What'd you message me on, Mister? I've looked at Anton's courses. They look pretty interesting. It'd be something that I would take maybe like a year or two from now, just to get his knowledge and experience. Um, I think his courses are a bit pricey, but it'd be definitely something I'd be looking into doing maybe a year or two from now once I'm profitable, because he has all kinds of knowledge on the back end of trading. What'd you message me on, Mister? YouTube, Discord, Facebook, Instagram? I need to know where you messaged me, Mister. I get a lot of messages. I don't. I have not, Sergio. Uh, I can't look at it right now, Mister. Send me some info on Instagram on it, and I'll check it out. See you, Nick. Oh, Gus pulled way back and bounced. Missed that bounce. That'd have been a good one. The smaller the better, even Evan. Typically, most traders do 1 to 3%. If you're more aggressive, you do 5%, and if you have a really really good strategy, you can do 10%. But I have to risk 15% because my account's so low right now. I have to cover my commissions. Nice, Sergio. I'm working on it, Greg. Not profitable yet. These guys do options trading too, as well, in awesome calls, which I'm very interested in learning. It looks like they play a lot of options on the S&P 500. Selling some calls, almost there. No, yeah, Twitch is wrong. It's I got 188, which is still very very small. I can't really, if it gets below $100, it's pretty much done. Tesla's trying to push that high. I know, Braden, but I can't trade 1% because 1% on $185 is wait, what? It's negative it's negative commissions. So it wouldn't even cover my commissions. 5% would only be $1.90 profit, and after commissions, because the calculator auto calculates your commissions. So my commissions are eating into my potential profits and risks. So I have to risk heavier in order to actually make money and pay my commissions. That's the danger. That's the downside of having a small account, is the commissions are much heavier onto your total profits. I will definitely downsize my risk as my account grows, though. I know, but I'd rather blow up my first small account than blow up a large account. Yeah, I'd rather make my mistakes on a $500 account than a couple $1,000 account. Yeah, I paper traded for quite a while. Paper's good to get your confidence up on a strategy. Like if you're doing a new strategy that you've never done before, paper trading can be good. But Richard is right when it comes to managing your emotions. You should have confidence in your strategy going in, but it won't prepare you completely for live trading. Well, I accidentally just closed out of all of my windows. Okay, shit. Damn it. Advast. All right, hold on, guys. I gotta restart all my Chrome windows. One sec, guys. Well, I guess awesome calls. Shit. All right. Uh, Glad you like it, Jumbo. I'm not subjected to PDT rule, Jumbo. Yeah, I'm doing it with Real Money Mason, and yes, they are. It is eating up my fees. Um, I'm just north of Indianapolis. Um, the Colts are the closest. I used to watch football, but I don't anymore. But when I did, I was a Bears fan. My I have a CFD account instead of actual brokerage account, and it's also in the UK, so I'm exempt from the PDT rule. It's like we're getting a Lab U range break to the upside. None. Addis, I am down $300. It says it right there on the stream. It should show my account balance in the title and right by my brokerage. Actually, I need to change that. It's bothering me. Yeah. Working on it, stock. I want it to be my full time. If you're trying to day trade with Robinhood, Jumbo, you're in for a bad time eventually. There's gonna be one day where you're gonna be in a trade and it's going to lock up or get stuck and you're not going to get executed and you're going to lose a lot of money. I would not recommend day trading with Robinhood. Now, if you're swing trading, you're totally fine, but I would not use it for day trading. I have not, Mr. Best. I can only take perfect setups, and I have to really be patient and wait on a good trade, something with a very high probability, like a range bounce or something. Drips, I might be able to play drip long. It's bouncing off EMAs. Eight, 16. No, let's go to Gush. It's got better range. No, I'm not liking Gush. Downtrend. I will short Gush at 38 cents. 38 cents. We're looking for a full point move, so we'll do a $0.50, 14 shares. Keep it real loose for the start. I want it to pop up to, well, it's above the range though. $38. No. We'll watch Gush to see what it does. Biggest profit's been about $50. I'll pull up my stats in a minute. I've been tracking them. Here's my stats. 41% win loss. Average returns is 37 cents per share. There's my profit, total profits to total losses, but these losses are much bigger because you don't see the commissions here, so the commissions eat up most of my profits. Average profits $20, average losers $14. Let's go to reports. Well, maybe. Biggest loser $53. Biggest profits is 43. Average profits is 20 and then 14. Net returns is minus. That needs to be updated. Yeah, I don't think that has. No, that should have. Net returns, cumulative losses. No, that's about right. Net returns, that's weird. Thanks, Jumbo. that wrong. Opinion on AWX, flatlined, doing nothing. I'm watching it. I want it to pop and curl and start to go long, and I'll play it long. It's the exact same setup as MTLS. There's the pop of Gush. It's mid-range on its. I want to short this right here at the 38 bounce, but it is mid-range on the channel. And it is gapping up above the EMAs now. I don't really watch sports anymore. I'm too busy. I've got too much work to do and too many things to study and just too much in my life. As soon as I shut down this stream, I'm going to be watching probably 8 hours of Spartan trading videos. SPY is really running today. Gapped way too. So, yeah. Hell, could have traded UPRO today. So, whenever it gaps. No, I've not made a trade, Callan. Yeah, there's the break on HTZ. Hi, Matt. Yeah, about a year now. They're saying hold off on here. There's a Kramer pump, I guess, on it. There's a chat room pumping it, so it might overextend a bit. Well, right now, stock solution, I'd be more likely to blow it up than invest it. I've spent probably $500 on education. I've spent over 1,000 hours easily watching videos and learning and studying. HTZ, man, I wish I'd stayed in my swing trade. I actually do learn quite a bit from YouTube now that I'm doing the stream. Get all kinds of people jumping in the chat room, showing me different things. But yeah, the majority of my education is watching YouTube videos. If I did get into awesome calls, I was going to buy into it, but they just happened to see the Saturday video and invite me into it. I'm not familiar. I know what divergence is, Matt, but I have not traded it with any experience. I think Zen and Jigsaw really like divergences. Adric, we're only an hour into the open. We haven't even met 2 hours yet. That was a nice cup. Damn. Damn, that's a 2-point bounce or long off that cup and handle. My alerts have not been popping up on my screen. Kalen, Warrior Trading's videos are really good for his style. His style doesn't fit me. It's way too fast, really. But the problem with his videos is they're very long. You have to watch like 10 hours of videos from Warrior Trader. You'll learn a lot, but it's not condensed. He tends to, I wouldn't say ramble, but I like videos that just get straight to the point, and his aren't like that. All right. Oh, HTZ cracked. Didn't make it. Yeah. Yeah, I like FinViz. FinViz has a nice screener. I actually have a fundamental screener saved and bookmarked from FinViz. This is I can't remember who showed me this one, but if you guys want to copy it, you can. It's a fundamental screener to find bullish stocks. So you can a lot of the companies have very solid fundamentals. So if you want to take Richard's style of trading, you can go through these charts and find really solid fundamentals, and then just trade those like ALGN. ADB, Adobe. Yeah, Adobe is definitely a very solid company. Um, they're who I use but it's just fundamentals, current ratio over 1, ESP over 10, return on equity 15, debt to equity under 1, sales growth over 10%, EPS growth past 5 years. A good strategy is to trade companies like Adobe on the dips, buy the dips and let them run long for a swing trade. Because it's going to have a bullish factor typically. PE is a little bit high on Adobe, 51, so it might be a bit overextended, but here I can just link it to you guys. They're looking for a 50-cent bounce on here. Oh, that's their profit targets. Yeah, I'll be getting trade ideas eventually. Yeah, Miguel, I've got a video. It's called Everything Think or Swim. Like 4 months or 7 months of trading is the thumbnail. Hey, Jigsaw. No, I'm not Urbanista. $1.50 per trade, plus the ECN fees, which are looks like HTZ might be curling over. It's touching the VWAP right now. Depends on what style you're looking for, Fat Boy. Ricky Gutierrez's course is a swing trading ETF course. So it's good for people that are busy or don't have, you can't sit in front of your computer like this and trade. This is day trading. Ricky's course is not a day trading course, although he does have some day trading strategies that he uses for playing the JNUG opening. He plays some of the ETFs on the opens for day trading, but it's mostly a swing trading course. Yeah, takes a while though. His course does condense all his stuff, but you can learn his strategy if you just watch him. Try not to lose money, Jigsaw. There's the crack. Retest. Testing the ribbon. Didn't flip the SAR parabolic, so that wasn't a reversal, just a pullback. Getting close to it though. Well, so far I'm liking awesome calls. It might be a bit advanced though for new traders. I'm gonna have to have some more experience in it to give my opinion on. A first week or a first month trader might awesome calls might be a bit much for you. Um, I just didn't think about it. Nobody had mentioned FinViz. I don't use it a whole lot. Yeah, using fundamental screeners to find very solid long stocks to day trade with can be a very good strategy as well. The downside is the points. It's more of a swing trade strategy because you probably won't get tons of volatility for the day trades. But if you find one with good range and good ATR, it can be a pretty good strategy. All right, there's the flip, so we're getting the reversal here. No. I really like. This is another call from Spartan Trader. Play's already happened, but double bottom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna really like this strategy once I learn all the nuances of it. I think this is Tradenet. Hello. Hey, how you doing? How you doing, Ruben? All right, I'm back. He's just checking to see if I need anything. Man, side charts. ICPT. Damn. ICPT. Seven-point move on ICPT. Making new highs. This is one of Spartan's trades too. Damn, Spartan's already made 10 points today on all his trades. And a 4-point open trade. Yeah, I'll have discounts for you guys on awesome calls once I get all the paperwork done. No, no, honestly, Alex, the less indicators, the better. Yeah, Ruben's fucking awesome. He's on it always. Much better than my last account manager. That guy, I don't know who that was, but I told him about my YouTube channel, and I was like, "Do you guys have an affiliate program?" He's like, "Yeah, I'll send you something." Never heard from him. All right. It's like HTZ's holding on the EMAs, trying to stay strong. What's here doing? What career would I choose? Stock market immediately. I would have studied the stock market at 14 years old. No, stock. I'm not gonna. I have to treat this as a business. I can't. If people have questions about somebody or they want direction on what they need to do, I have to. I'm gonna answer them honestly. I don't draw some triangles, Matt. I can't. I'm not the guy for that for you. Now my risk to reward has been pretty on point, except for Thursday and Friday of last week. It's mostly just myself, my emotions, and not taking the best trades that I can. At 2%, still 2%. Yeah, Apple ripping. Apple's about to hit $1 trillion. 999 market cap, about 500 million away. It's almost there. It's almost touching it. Is this the first $1 trillion market company? Yeah, everybody's just riding the hype right now. They just want they. I feel like everybody wants to see it hit $1 trillion. What's the price target for $1 trillion? You trading Apple, Richard? $207.05 to reach $1 trillion. It's 50 cents off the price. So we're looking for 207.05. Right there. See if it can do it. The good traders would quit right now because they know that it's going to bounce right at that point. So the good traders will probably take their money here. Other people and scanners will. It's a combo. Nice, Richard. I wish I would have. I don't know why I wasn't paying attention to Apple. Damn, that's a big buyback. Getting a pullback, 205. So we're watching history right now. First Nasdaq market cap to hit $1 trillion. I bet Jeff Bezos is upset. I wonder if he's upset. I don't really know much about Jeff Bezos. Yeah, this is one of those moments. Really, I mean, it's just charts, but yeah, but Jeff Bezos strikes me as the type of guy who is probably upset that he was not the guy to get to 1 trillion. Well, I mean, that makes sense. The stock, he's doing it as a business. He's very busy. I mean, would I like to have seen him have more like a Gary V personality and talk to everybody and help everybody? I mean, yeah, that'd be nice, but you have to understand that he's busy and he's also 21. I mean, that's a lot of. He's not going to be, that well thought out 40-year-old businessman that's got a shit together. I mean, he does have a shit together, but it's a lot of stuff to deal with at 21. I probably would have been the same way at 21. I was a workaholic at his age. I guess I still am a workaholic, but I've learned how to manage it better. Is he 22 now? I think he might be 22. Can't remember. Getting that point move on Apple. I could have played that bounce right there for 2 points, but it's already way overextended. Look at that RSI. Even the daily RSI is overextended. The daily's up into the 70s. It looks like 74% or 74 RSI on the day. Wonder what the week is. It's even red on the week. It's hitting 70 on the week. Nobody cares. They just want to see trillion. You want to watch history? Apple's about $1 away from hitting $1 trillion market cap. First company in history to do it.
That's amazing. I'd love to, but I gotta go get my butt kicked.
All right.
I'll watch the video though.
Huh?
So I'll watch the video though.
All right. Say it. I'm not sure on that, Justin. Yeah, I mean, you can trade options. I don't know how PDT rule works with options. Damn, HMMY is down to 10 cents. 12 cents. Man, stacking into this short. I wish I had shorted this and swung it. This would have been a fantastic short swing. Even that pop right there, getting into that. I need some music. All right, here's the next leg. It's about to come. Star Parabolic's right at the price point on that 3-minute. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, 207. I got the blue line right there. As soon as it touches the blue line, we're at 1 trillion. Looks like we might be getting a pullback. Everybody's taking their profits because they know that that's the point. No, they haven't hit a trillion yet. They got 50 cents off. The better short would be at 207, honestly. It is very overextended on the EMAs. Probably pull back. If it does break, it'll probably pull back to 203 or somewhere around the 203 area. You guys, today's Thursday. Natural gas report, probably. I want to look at you guys, but I want to see what happens with Apple. You guys are still holding Apple? It's only got like a point left to move. It's moved 7. You guys are holding on 7 points. Number of shares outstanding by price stock, yes. So as the price increases, so does the market cap based on the amount of shares that are out in the market. So you can see the shares right there, and there's the market cap. We've got 482917000 times 205.59. Yeah. Well, I missed the digit somewhere. Yeah, there we go. That's the market cap. We got the parabolic flip. I don't know. They just handed the mic off to a options trader, one of the options traders mods on Amazon or on Awesome Calls. I'm not supposed to do this, but I'm gonna flash the screen real quick just to you guys think that I use a lot of indicators. Look at those. That's a lot of indicators. She's good though. She knows her shit. I know. Insurance, are you in the Discord? If you guys are in the Discord, I will make an options channel dedicated to it because I really want to learn options. Yeah, typically women are better traders. They don't see the market as an adversary, whereas guys do. Guys see the market as something to compete with, which it is a competition, really, but you're not competing with the chart. And that's what a lot of guys do. They try to compete with the chart, and girls tend to just not care more. They'll be able to handle it better. Their egos don't get in the way as much. This girl's got like 20 years options trading, I think, experience. Janny, I think it's Janny who's got the mic right now. She seems pretty nice, but yesterday she was very heated. I guess there was some asshole in the chat throwing her shit, and AJ had to put him in place. She was hot yesterday. That's a 5-hour video, Chanu. I can't really tell you other than just study Excel videos. Just watch as many Excel videos as you can. Things you can use is VLOOKUP, write these down. These are the functions that you should look up. VLOOKUP. What are the other ones? Well, we'll pull up a video real quick. Yeah, super competitive guys tend to have harder times trading than people that are much mellower. Uh, this video right here, Chanu, Excel for accounting formulas, VLOOKUP indexes, pivot tables, recording macros, charts. This will be a fantastic video for you starting out on how to build a Excel sheet. Or you can just do what I did and say screw it, and I bought Tradersync, and that's how I've been tracking my trades. So you just import in the you import your trades into it, and it will calculate everything for you. There's a discount code if you want it under best resources for TraderSync. It's right there. I should probably put that in risk management instead of best resources. I mean, I guess they're all risk management, really. But right there, there's I think it's 50% off. Yeah, 50% off TraderSync stat tracking for your trades. No, Gmodo. I'm studying a new strategy, and I'm not terribly familiar with it. So I was up till 2 o'clock last night as well. So I'm tired today. I haven't had a lot of sleep, and I'm just trying to pay attention to stuff like that. Like I don't want to trade when I'm tired, and using a new strategy. Yeah, that's a good way to put it, Dylan. They are automatic and unconscious. You have to be mindful of them and pay attention to it. How long you been trading Urbanista? Nice, Urbanista. Yeah, it's all about consistency, doing it day in and day out. Be right back. Ooh. I just did deadlifts and squats yesterday for the first time in a while, and I can feel my legs locking up. They're starting to get tight. Uh, how long you lived in New York? OSTK. Oh, swing trade. Yeah, that's a very nice long trade. Pushing new highs on Apple. Let's check out you guys real quick. Oh yeah, looks like the natural gas reports are pretty good. Or no, pretty bad actually, because this is the bear. Here, yeah, here pulled back. Still getting pumped. It looks like almost there. How'd you find it, Zen? Fundamental trading or what? It's kind of funny. Awesome Calls doesn't really give a shit about Apple. They're just trading. They're still making money. They they're not really talking about it. Um, well, right now I'm just watching Apple. Let's see if there's any plays here. HTZ. I might play HTZ on the range break. If this breaks out, I'll play it long up to $16. But that'll probably be my only trade for today. GDS. Well, GDS could be a good short off resistance right here. short into resistance. It's pretty decent resistance, but it's looking better long. Apple's trying. Yeah, it's gas every Thursday at 10:30. There's a gas report, cryptic. So typically you don't want to be in a trade on those natural gas ETFs until that report's released because it can swing heavy one way or the other. Charleston, South Carolina. Yeah, I've always thought about moving to New York, but I don't know. I feel like I might like it. There's the move's already happened, cryptic, and you shouldn't ask people. You shouldn't ask people buy points and sell targets, especially me right now because I'm not terribly profitable. I can give you some resources though if you want to learn the. Oh, here we go. New highs. Here, this website was given to me yesterday by somebody in stream. I can't remember who it was, but if you're in here, thank you for this. Um, this is all of the reports that come out every week, and you can see right there natural gas storage, um, actual forecasted previous, 39 billion forecasted, 24 billion uh, last, and 35 billion actual. So we have a surplus. So prices are going to drop when you have a surplus. Simple supply and demand. Why are you living in New York then if it's too expensive? Yeah, insurance is your strategy. Insurance, isn't it? You buy stuff and you hold it long, and you sell call options. And if it goes the wrong way, then you just break even and cover. If you go the right way, then you make instant cash. What's that called? What's that strategy called? Isn't it just covered calls? Richard, don't be disrespectful to people in my chat room, please. If you disagree with people, that's fine, but there's no need to be starting shit with people. No, insurance strategy is he holds the position long. Uh, you said you got down into it down in the 70s or something, and you basically sell the options as the stock moves. And as long as if it hits your strike price and you start losing money, it's covered and hedged because you have the long position. No, he owns the actual long position, Richard. He owns the long position and he sells calls. Yeah, maybe I should change the stream to losing $500. 25, 30 cents. 30 cents to a trillion. Well, it says a trillion already. That's weird. Why does it say a trillion? There's the. Hmm. Well, TOS says it's already at a trillion. Same, we hit the trillion mark already on. I missed Urbanista's message. Yeah, I know pretty much anybody that lives in New York has to have multiple streams of income. Yeah, commissions are definitely a factor, but there's other factors into it. I think my plan is just going to be travel the world and go as many places as I can, and whichever place seems to be the coolest, that's where I'm gonna live for a few years. Nope, no Joshua, no profits, no trades. 2 we're yeah, I'm gonna be going to Thailand first. I think there'll be a lot of network and the it'll be good for me to live there because it's so cheap and I can still do day trading and all that. Um, but I'll probably be traveling all over Asia, and then I want to do Europe as well, and eventually Africa, Cape Town, and maybe uh, Nigeria and a few other places. Yeah, flight attendant's the way to do it. I want to make a call real quick, see if somebody wants to go to lunch. Yeah, I'd like to go to Cape Town. Looks pretty cool. Definitely not going to swim in the waters because it's the highest, has the highest infestation of great whites in the entire world. But other than that, it looks cool. Now I've got $14,000 buying power at Tibor. Hey, you want to grab lunch today? 11:30. I can, or I can meet you somewhere. I don't care. Applebee's. All right. B Dubs. All right. All right. I'll be out in like 30 minutes. I'll come out there. All right. See you. It says Apple already hit the mark. Well, actually, we can figure out how much it. 1 million, 100 million, 1 trillion divided by 4829170. Is that right? No. 484291700. 20648. So that's weird. All the numbers are screwed up. Right now, we're just watching Apple hit $1 trillion on the market cap. The price line should be 207.05 for 1 trillion. Yeah, I'm not trading today. I haven't made any trades. I've got a lot more studying to do. Never thought of that, Urbanista. Uh, what? How do you even find a place for house sitting? Yeah, I'm actually. I think Levy is. No, I can't. I don't know who is talking right now. They have two options traders, Janney and Levy. Janney's on the live stream right now. Um, I have not checked out their courses though. I'm studying Spartan mostly as of right now. Um, I'll I'll send in that affiliate agreement today on Awesome Calls, and I should be able to get you guys the discount codes tomorrow. I'll do that right now. Actually, he's already emailed me about it. Yeah, I'm down 312. How'd you like Awesome Calls, Tibor? I've only watched a few videos or one video of Spartans, but so far I'm liking his strategy. YouTube it, companies who arrange it, and take a look at some of the hires and sites. Yeah, I mean, if I can house sit and just trade in some house, it'd be awesome. You're house sitting for an entire year. They'll teach you their strategies and plans, but you have to pay for the individual strategies from the individual moderators. They have a bunch of different strategies. Local papers like CL. Yeah, AJ's calls are pretty damn accurate. Yeah, I would say that it seems a bit. Awesome Call seems a bit advanced for like a first month trader. It might be a bit much, bit of an overload for him. 5 cents, 299.99. Yeah, I could see how that might be a turnoff for some people, but you know the chat room it's kind of its own services. The chat room you can follow the calls and make money off of, and that's just their service. But I can understand how they would have individual charge people individually for the strategies because each strategy is different. There's like 6 moderators or something, and each one trades differently with their own style. Can a mod throw up the Discord link? Man, I hope it hits it because I gotta go to lunch soon. How many services do you? What do you mean? How many services do I have? What do you mean? It's not letting you paste the Discord. That's weird. Yeah, it'll probably short back down. Everybody just wants to see it hit it. I can throw up a Discord link. Make sure to read the new join material for those that are joining, because there's a lot of info in there that explains how the server's set up. I think blockchains all work. They're all weighted off each other and they work the same way. Morning, Luke. All right, I'm gonna get ready real quick because I gotta leave to go to lunch. Yeah, can you guys stop arguing about the cover calls? It's like, all right, just agree to disagree. I'm tired of hearing it in the chat. I don't like drama. Oh, hey, EM kid. No, I'm not in any plays today. Charles wasn't seeing anything that was a good enough profit potential. Apple would have been fantastic if I had spotted it. I don't know why I wasn't paying attention to this. Apple's high of the day so far. Yeah, so the official, 207.05 is the official. Oh yeah, I'll be making more videos. I got a lot of videos planned. I need time to do them. Right now, I need to study and improve my strategies. Uh, my goal for the $500 account is 100,000, but let's break even first before we work on 100,000. There it is, 1 trillion. They're saying be careful in the counter trend trades though for Apple. I mean, it would be a fantastic short if you get confirmation, but oh, stock tweets. Yeah, I bet stock tweets is exploding right now on where's the Craftsman's Museum? I always like looking at engineering stuff and craftsmen. I'm always all for museums like that. But no, I don't do engineering much anymore. I just kind of got burnt out on it. I don't enjoy it. Yeah, I won't stop making videos if I travel. I'm gonna have to redo my setup and my workstations and everything. Obviously, it's not gonna be. I can't carry a 54-inch TV around with me or my ultra wide monitor, so I'll have to make some adjustments. That's pretty good, Zen. That'd be fucking cool. I love studying P51s. The P51 went from drawing on a piece of paper to full production in 90 days. The best aircraft the U.S. ever made in World War II went from not even having a prototype to a flying model in 90 days. Yeah, I bet partying in NYC and the and those districts would be fun tonight. Looks like we're probably gonna have the breakdown now. I would like to short this down to the low twos, but I'm gonna wait for the 10-minute parabolic flip. Nah, I can't do it. I gotta get out of here. Thanks, Urbanista. I think I enjoy helping people more than just doing pictures and videos of how awesome some place is. Or my girlfriend, though, she's thinking about doing vlogging, traveling style vlogs and all that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do California for a bit. I want to go to Comic Con in LA, or no, San Diego. All right, I'm running late for my lunch, so I gotta get out of here. Yeah, P-38 is also an awesome airplane. All wood. Well, no, it's not wood. That was the Mosquito. P-38 is definitely an interesting airplane, though. P-38 is like the F-15 of World War II. Those twin Merlin engines. This had tremendous amounts of power and that big ass autocannon. Seth, this is Nasdaq trading. We were watching Apple hit the $1 trillion mark at 207. It just happened, but now I'm going to go to lunch. I stream every day at around 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the morning to do the market opens. So if you're welcome to join us, Seth, I'll be back live tomorrow. Yeah, the A10 Warthog, it slows down when it fires because the cannon's so damn big. All right, see you guys. I gotta get out of here.